gnocchi with Nutella and pistachio. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Fonzies in Ramsgate, and my mate Seb, the cameraman, has brought me down here because it's halal gnocchi, and it's all homemade or handmade gnocchi, right? So now, this one is a rosé gnocchi with cream, and there's mushrooms, some arancini balls, and also gnocchi with Nutella and pistachio. All right, so let's just go in here with the cream first. Oh, look at that. Look at the cream. Look at the goo. Oh, my goodness. All right, let's go like this. Let's get one of these. It's a bit hard to penetrate, but we can do it. That cheese really complements it, man. Really complements it well. All right, let's go the arancini balls. The texture is unbelievable. All right, now, guys, really, really good. All right, let's try something dessert. So this is Nutella, and it's gnocchi Nutella. So gnocchi, handmade gnocchi with pistachio Nutella. Let's go in here. I can tell you one thing. I've never tried gnocchi like this. You can't tell that it's the same, but different. This with the cheese, this arancini balls, this for dessert. Guys, Ramsgate Road, Fonzies, absolutely delicious. Delicious.